Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by protecting yourself and the room, so put on gloves and an old shirt, then drape a towel. Next, mix the developer and lightener exactly to the kit ratio. Accuracy matters because consistency affects lift. Once mixed, work quickly. Release one section and comb through, then use a fine-tooth tail comb to pick thin subsections for natural highlights. Make sure to keep sections small and consistent. This controls saturation and prevents blotchy results. Now you apply the lightener with controlled strokes so each strand lifts evenly. Start mid-length to ends, where hair is typically darker or previously colored, then feather product toward the roots to avoid a harsh line. Place foil beneath the subsection and fold to seal. This traps heat and speeds processing. Work methodically across one section before moving on. Once a row is done, check foil spacing to avoid overlapping, and keep the pattern consistent for balance. Finish by testing a hidden foil for your target lift and then rinse thoroughly with cool water. Shampoo gently to remove lightener residue. Next, apply the toner evenly to neutralize brass. Follow timing precisely and watch it. Toner can shift fast. Once toned, apply a deep conditioner or mask to restore moisture, then style as usual. If you see unwanted orange or yellow tones, a purple-based toner or mask will counteract brassiness. Use it sparingly and retouch roots only when regrowth appears.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.